Hello friends, I will tell you about the Tesla Inc. Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. The company specializes in electric vehicle manufacturing, battery energy storage from home to grid scale and, through its acquisition of SolarCity, solar panel and solar roof tile manufacturing. Tesla operates multiple production and assembly plants, such as, its main vehicle manufacturing facility at Tesla Factory in Fremont, California, Giga Nevada near Reno, Nevada, Giga New York in Buffalo, New York, and Giga Shanghai in Shanghai, China. As of 2020, Tesla sells Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y cars. Tesla also sells Powerwall, PowerPack, and Megapack batteries, solar panels, solar roof tiles, and some related products. Tesla Motors was founded in July 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. The company's name is a tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. Elon Musk was responsible for 98% of the initial funding, and served as chairman of the board. He appointed Martin Eberhard to be the first CEO. In its 2004 Series A funding, Tesla Motors was joined by Elon Musk, J.B. Straubel and Ian Wright, all of whom are retroactively allowed to call themselves co-founders of the company. Musk, who formerly served as chairman and is the current CEO, said that he envisioned Tesla Motors as a technology company and independent automaker, aimed at eventually offering electric cars at prices affordable to the average consumer. In February 2017, Tesla Motors shortened its name to Tesla. After 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in as well as best-selling battery electric passenger car manufacturer by cars sold in 2019, both as a brand and by Automotive Group, with a market share of 17% of the plug-in segment and 23% of the battery electric segment. Tesla global vehicle sales increased 50% from 245,240 units in 2018 to 367,849 units in 2019. Tesla has never had a profitable year, however, it has had several individually profitable quarters, most recently the quarters ending September 2018, December 2018, September 2019, and December 2019. On February 20, 2020, Tesla reached a market capitalization of $166 billion United States dollars. Tesla Motors was incorporated in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, with 98% of the initial funds being provided by chairman of the board Elon Musk, who appointed Eberhard to be the first CEO. The founders were influenced to start the company after GM recalled all its EV1 electric cars in 2003 and then destroyed them, and seeing the higher efficiency of battery electric cars as an opportunity to break the usual correlation between high performance and low mileage. Elon Musk led the Series A round of investment in February 2004, joining Tesla's board of directors as its chairman. Tesla's primary goal was to commercialize electric vehicles, starting with a premium sports car aimed at early adopters and then moving into more mainstream vehicles, including sedans and affordable compacts. Musk took an active role within the company and oversaw Roadster product design at a detailed level. In addition to his daily operational roles, Musk was the controlling investor in Tesla from the first financing round, funding $6.5 million of the Series A round of $7.5 million United States dollars with personal funds. Musk later led Tesla Motors Series B, $9 million of $13 million United States dollars, and co-led the third, $12 million United States dollars of $40 million United States dollars round in May 2006. Tesla's third round included investment from prominent entrepreneurs including Google co-founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page, former eBay president Jeff Skoll, Hyatt Air Nick Pritzker, and added the VC firms Draper Fisher Jurvetson, Capricorn Management and the Bay Area Equity Fund managed by J.P. Morgan Chase. The fourth round in May 2007 added another $45 million United States dollars and brought the total investments to over $105 million United States dollars through private financing. Tesla had been reporting net losses most quarters for many years, but for the quarter ending September 2019, Tesla surprised analysts, who had been anticipating a quarterly loss of approximately 40 cents per share, with adjusted earnings of $1.61 per share, on total quarterly revenue of $6.30 billion for the quarter ending December 2019. Tesla posted adjusted earnings of $2.14 per share on total quarterly revenue of $7.38 billion. In January 2020, Tesla Inc. has become America's most valuable American automaker to ever exist at a market value of $86.5 billion. Tesla's business strategy is to emulate typical technological product life cycles and initially target affluent buyers, and then move into larger markets at lower price points. The battery and electric drivetrain technology for each model would be developed and partially paid for through the sales of earlier models. The Roadster was low volume and priced at $109,000. Model S and Model X target the broader luxury market. Model 3 and the Model Y are aimed at a higher volume segment. This business strategy is common in the technology industry. According to a Musk blog post, new technology in any field takes a few versions to optimize before reaching the mass market, and in this case it is competing with 150 years and trillions of dollars spent on gasoline cars. Tesla delivered 367,500 cars in 2019, 50% more than in 2018 and more than triple the number sold in 2017. At the end of 2019, Tesla's global sales since 2012 totaled over 891,000 units. Year-over-year Tesla U.S. vehicle sales from 2017 to 2018 increased by 280% from 48,000 to 182,400. As of October 2018, Tesla's sales represented about 20% of the all-electric cars on the world's roads, according to Navigant Research. By November 2018, Tesla vehicles had traveled 10 billion miles. In 2016, BYD Auto was the world's top-selling plug-in car manufacturer with 101,183 units sold, followed by Tesla with 76,243. However, Tesla revenues ranked first with $6.35 billion, while BYD notched $3.88 billion. Also in 2016, Tesla sold $1 billion worth of cars in China, the world's largest market for electric vehicles, and in October of the following year it reached an agreement with the Chinese government to build a factory in Shanghai. After ranking third by brand in 2017, behind BYD and BAIC, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in passenger car manufacturer in 2018, both as a brand and by Automotive Group, with 245,240 units delivered, capturing a market share of 12% of all plug-in cars sold globally in 2018, followed by BYD Auto with 227,152 plug-in passenger cars delivered. In August 2015, Tesla launched a revamp of its stores to include interactive displays focused on safety, autopilot, charging network and motors. As of October 2016, Tesla operated about 260 galleries or retail locations in the United States. In June 2016, Tesla opened its first store within a store, a small outpost within the Nordstrom department store at the Grove Shopping Mall in Los Angeles. In 2017, Tesla opened retail locations in Dubai and South Korea. Foreseeing Germany as its second market after the US and the largest in Europe, in 2016 Tesla stated the Dutch Dienstwegverkeer (RDW) issued whole vehicle type approval (WVTA) should be accepted as a legal compliance document, with no need to seek specific national type of approvals in EU member states. In 2017 Tesla had a $52 million marketing budget and used a referral program and word of mouth to attract buyers. Unlike other automakers, Tesla does not use individual large battery cells, but thousands of small, cylindrical, lithium-ion commodity cells like those used in consumer electronics. Tesla's batteries are manufactured in gigafactories. The name gigafactory comes from the word giga, the unit of measurement representing billions. It uses a version of these cells that is designed to be cheaper to manufacture and lighter than standard cells by removing some safety features. According to Tesla, these features are redundant because of the advanced thermal management system and an intumescent chemical in the battery to prevent fires. 165 Panasonic is the sole supplier of the cells for Model S, Model X, and Model 3 and cooperates with Tesla in the Giga Nevada's 21-70 cells. In February 2016, Tesla battery cell costs were estimated at $200 per kilowatt-hour. Tesla indicated later in 2016 that their battery cells cost less than $190 per kilowatt-hour. Still later that year, Argonne Labs estimated $163 per kilowatt-hour at a production rate of 500,000 packs per year. In the 2018 Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon Musk stated battery cell cost could be $100 per kilowatt